Welcome to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom with smart money habits and investing. If you've ever thought that saving $10,000 in just 1 year is impossible, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to save that amount, step by step, without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. This isn't about extreme penny pinching or cutting out every joy in life. It's about learning how to manage your money wisely, increase your income strategically, and adopt habits that build long-term wealth. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan that you can put into action immediately. Why $10,000 is such a powerful goal? Before we dive into the step-by-step process, let's talk about why $10,000 is such a life-changing milestone. For many, it's the first big financial cushion that provides security. It can cover several months of expenses in case of an emergency. It can help you pay off debt faster. It can also be the seed money for investments that generate long-term returns. But here's the secret: saving your first $10,000 isn't just about the money, it's about the discipline and mindset you build along the way. Once you do it, you'll realize that building $50,000, $100,000, or even more is possible. Step 1. Setting a clear goal. Saving $10,000 in a year means you need to save about $833 per month, or roughly $28 a day. Breaking it down like this makes it feel less intimidating. Instead of focusing on the huge $10,000 number, focus on the daily and weekly habits that get you there. Real life example: Sarah, who earns $50,000 a year, once thought saving $10,000 was impossible. But by breaking it into $19 a day, she realized she could cut back on takeout meals and redirect that money into savings. Within 12 months, she hit her goal. Step 2. Track your current spending. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. Tracking your expenses is the first step to identifying leaks in your budget. Look at your last 30 to 60 days of spending. Categorize it into essentials, like rent, groceries, utilities, and non-essentials, like dining out, subscriptions, or impulse purchases. Real life example. When James tracked his spending, he discovered he was spending $250 a month on delivery food. By cooking at home and meal prepping, he saved $200 each month. That alone added up to $2,400 a year, nearly a quarter of his $10,000 goal. Step 3. Build a budget that works for you. Budgeting isn't about restricting your life, it's about giving every dollar a purpose. Use the 50/30/20 rule as a guideline. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings and debt repayment. But if your goal is saving $10,000, you'll want to adjust those numbers. Aim for 30% savings and cut your wants down to 20%. Example: if you earn $3,500 a month, saving 30% means $1,050 goes directly to your savings account each month. In less than 10 months, you'll hit your $10,000 goal. Step 4. Automate your savings. The easiest way to save is to remove temptation. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a high-yield savings account as soon as your paycheck arrives. By automating your savings, you treat it like a bill you can't skip. Pro tip: use a separate bank account that you don't touch for daily spending. The less you see the money, the less tempted you'll be to spend it. Step 5. Cut expenses without feeling deprived. This is where people think they'll suffer, but the truth is you can cut back strategically without making life miserable. Instead of cutting everything, focus on the biggest drains. Housing: can you downsize, get a roommate, or refinance? Transportation: could you sell a car you don't need, switch to public transport, or bike more often? Food: cook more meals at home, buy in bulk, and meal prep. Real life example: Emily cut her cable subscription, which cost $150 per month, and switched to one streaming service for $15. That single decision saved her $1,620 over a year. Step 6. Avoid lifestyle creep. Every time people get a raise, they often increase their spending: bigger house, nicer car, fancier vacations. This is called lifestyle creep, and it's one of the biggest enemies of saving. Instead, commit to keeping your expenses the same when your income increases, and put that raise directly into your savings account. Step 7. Find ways to increase your income. Cutting expenses is powerful, but there's only so much you can cut. On the other hand, your income has unlimited potential. Some ways to earn more: freelance in your area of expertise. Drive for Uber, DoorDash, or Instacart. Start a side business online. Sell unused items around your home. Real life example: Mark, A teacher tutored students online for $25/hour for 8 hours a week. That side hustle earned him $800 per month, nearly $10,000 in a year on its own. Step 8. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Saving $10,000 is a marathon, not a sprint. To stay motivated, track your progress every month. Celebrate milestones at $2,500, $5,000, and $7,500. You don't have to spend a lot to celebrate. Something as simple as a home-cooked special meal can keep you motivated. Step 9. Protect your savings from yourself. Sometimes the hardest part isn't saving, it's not spending what you've saved. Create barriers between yourself and your savings. Put your money in an account that doesn't come with a debit card. Consider certificates of deposit, CDs, for a portion of your savings to lock it away. Step 10. Invest after hitting $10,000. Once you've saved your first $10,000, don't just let it sit idle forever. After setting aside an emergency fund, put the rest to work in investments. This could be index funds, ETFs, or even real estate. The goal isn't just to save, it's to grow your money over time. Final thoughts. Imagine waking up one day and realizing that you can choose how you spend your time. This freedom isn't a distant dream, it's within your reach if you start saving now. Each dollar you save brings you closer to a life where financial stress is minimized and opportunities abound. As you complete this journey, embrace each small victory, knowing that every effort contributes to your ultimate goal of secured freedom. This is about transforming your approach to life and money, setting the stage for a future filled with possibilities and peace of mind. The habits you form today will set you apart tomorrow, making financial independence a reality worth striving for. Think about the power of having that extra cushion in your life. Imagine facing unexpected expenses, car repairs, medical bills, or even essential home maintenance, without feeling the weight of a financial burden. With each dollar you save, you're not just growing your bank account, you're creating a safety net that protects your peace of mind. This financial cushion grants you the confidence to navigate life's uncertainties and empowers you to seize new opportunities without fear. As you build this foundation, remember that wealth is not just measured in figures, it's about the choices you make freely and the life you aspire to live. Each dollar saved is a step toward greater freedom, allowing you to design a life that reflects your values. By taking charge of your finances today, you're investing in a future brimming with possibilities. The journey may not always be easy, but the rewards of discipline, consistency, and informed decision-making will multiply over time, leading to a life where financial worries are replaced with confidence and joy. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset, where we share practical tips and powerful insights to help you achieve financial freedom. Together, we'll keep building the mindset and habits that create lasting wealth.